George Cantrell. You can also call me Joker. I welcome you to Solve Math. Yes, and today is another edition of converting or changing fractions into percentages. I believe you've watched our subsequent editions. If you've not, I'll urge you to visit our social media platforms, Solve Math on Facebook, Jokan Educational Channel on Facebook, Kids Zone on Facebook, Jokan Educational Services also on Facebook. And indeed, you will never regret that. Good. In our first edition, we said that when converting fractions into percentages, you just have to multiply the fraction by 100%. And that is all. Good. So let's move to the board and tackle some questions so that you could understand it the more. Fantastic. Good. Pay critical attention here. As I always say in mathematics, instructions or rules are so essential. Good. So here, what are we told to do? We are told to convert the following into percentages. As I said, multiply the fraction by 100%. So we have 12 over 16. So have your equal to sign. 12 over 16 times 100%. But I usually tell you that any number over 1 is that particular number. So in this context, to make it easy for us, the 100%, we could make it over 1 as well, so that when it comes to the multiplication, it will be easy for us. Good. So 100 over 1. Good. Now, in our first edition, I did say that cancellations can be done vertically. It can also be done diagonally, that is this way, but it cannot be done horizontally. But you can multiply horizontally. I hope you got that. It's very essential. Cancellations are done vertically, diagonally, that is it. But when it comes to multiplication, it's horizontal. Good. Now, if here, 4 can go into 12, right? Yes. The basis of this is multiplication. You should be good in your multiplication. 4 will go into 12 how many times? 4, 3, 12, right? Good. And 4 will go into 16 how many times? 4, 4, 16. Good. That is the first thing. So math is systematic. Take your time. So now what do we have? We have 3 here over 4 times 100% over 1. Now write it. It's so important. Take your time in doing it. Good. Now, let's see. 4 can go into 100. Yes, so we can do that diagonal cancellation. Right? Good. 4 times what will give you 100? And it is 4 times 25. So 4 will go into 100. 25 times. 4 will go into itself for 1. So we cancel, right? 1. Good. We are moving down. So what do we have here? We have 3 over 1, right? Times, what do we have here? Is 25% over 1. Good. Now, we can cancel again, right? So now we can do our multiplication horizontally, right? Good. 3 times 25. If you don't know, please solve it. We have 25 times 3. Always the one with the more digits will be on top, right? Good. 3 to 5 is what? 15. You write 5, remainder 1, right? 3, 2 is what? 6 plus the 1, remainder 7. So it becomes 75. What it means is that 3 times 25 here, it will be equal to 75% over your 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Don't forget that. 1 times 1 is 1. Good. So now, any number over 1, 75% over 1 is 75%. So it's equal to 75%. Good. It's easy as ABCD, right? It's simply following simple steps, right? Good. So we continue.